Well, we managed to sneak out of the house for a few hours this afternoon. We're going after crappies, something we don't normally hunt after. Normally we're walleye guys, but we decided to switch it up today. We started at one lake where we couldn't buy a bite, couldn't find a fish, so we came to another lake. All we could get were small perch like this one. There it is. Woo. I think we got a big one. Oh my gosh. That's what we're here for. That's why we do what we do. Hours of scouting, looking at lake maps, all for that. Just gorgeous. Look at that fish. We managed this nice fish right here. So now we just gotta hope the crappies start biting. Looks like we might have found a school here, so stay tuned. I think we might have finally dropped in on a few. There we go. Yep. Go. There's another one. Rob, I think you ought to come pop a hole right here. I got 3 on the screener right now. There's another one. Ooh, the Blue Gill. Not the intended species, but it'll do. Don't feel real big. Not bad, not bad. Little raptor. Decent little crappie, huh? I love how big their mouths are. Kinda like you. I do got a big mouth. Not a monster, but it's fun to catch. Still probably a 8, 9, probably 9-inch crappie. 8-inch hole, spans across. If you look, we were bouncing around hole to hole, and all of a sudden we dropped in on a spot, and this is the bottom. This is the bottom here. And you can see there's just a ton of suspended fish as high as 10 feet, so 8 feet off the bottom. So that's what we're going after, and sun's starting to set and the fish are starting to turn on, so hopefully it continues this way. There we go. Ooh, another Blue Gill. We probably got about a dozen 8, 9-inch crappies now, mixing in a few bluegills like this. So I guess the moral of the story is staying mobile today really paid off. I mean, we fished 2 different lakes, drilled about 50 holes, and you know, we finally were able to find the fish and what they were looking for. So ooh, there's a little bit better bluegill. There's a little bit nicer fish. One of our nice ones for the day, but we're not here to keep fish, so we're gonna let this one go and see if we can't get a few more here. All right. Cutter. This one might be more like 8. I just love catching crappies, though. Lots more down there. Ooh, just a little one. Definitely not getting any bigger. nicer one. Ooh, there he goes. There was a little bit nicer one. Oh, there we go.
How about that?
Nice.
Take that little guy.
Just goes to show you that staying mobile pays off. Now, this is a lake that neither Rob or I have ever fished before, but we stayed mobile. We punched about 20-30 holes, made a couple moves, and it's finally starting to pay off. So, all right.
Beauty. This one's a little pale. It's very orange, not very green.
Well, about the story of our day. About 8-9 inch crappies, but they're still biting, but we've run out of time, so we're gonna have to pack her up, head home, and all I can say is thanks for watching.